How to log in into your Temu account? Well, there's a two-way in order to log into your account. First of all, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Temu. Head over to this app. Right here, you need to make sure that this application is already installed on your device. Once it has been installed, open it and simply log into your account. Now the other way is to log in with the help of the website. Head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. Let me head over to Safari for now. In the search bar, search for Temu login. Head over to the very first site, register and login. It will be landing you on this page. Now in order to log in, you simply need to enter your email address or the phone number. Or if you are created from Google account, Facebook account or the Apple ID, then all you want to do is click on it. Let me click on continue with Google. You have to select the specific Google account and then click on continue. Wait for a while for it to process. There you go, you have been successfully logged in into your Temu account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Temu account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.